guys. How are you guys doing today? Are you doing wonderful? Are you having a wonderful day? So today is National Lash Day, and I just wanted to post this and give you guys something inspirational for you to just watch and learn from. And I know I've already posted a lash video and like how to apply them, but I've actually been working really hard on learning more about applying lashes, so just keep on watching to see like what exactly I do with my lashes. And I'm doing it specifically for things like what I'm wearing right now, which is like more of a glam look, and I took off some of my nails so that I can get like really close to my eye. So just keep on watching, but before you keep watching, be sure to like this video, go ahead and subscribe. I mean, you sat here this long, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Let's get into it. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. I'm nice and zoomed in for you guys. So I will be using 𝓷𝓵𝓵 lashes. I have them sitting directly in front of me, and I'm using 𝓷𝓵𝓵 lashes because I have a code with them, and that code is Let the Sun Shine In. I'll be sure to put that on the screen and also link the lashes that I'll be wearing down below. 𝓷𝓵𝓵 just has the best lashes to me. I've grabbed scissors and I have my lashes here, which I'm going to be clipping. So as I said earlier, I took off some of my nails so that I can get these lashes looking right for you. Alright, so I have a lash here. I'm going to clip this front part, and I'm also going to clip the back. And now I have a much shorter lash, but when I put it on, it's going to fit my eye better because I have more hair towards the back than I do towards the front. And so if I put something on that is way too loaded in the like middle section in the front, it doesn't look good. So I clipped it a little bit so that it would look better. The velour lash glue, I love this stuff so much. It is amazing. It like dries super quickly, but it also dries in a way that like you can see what's going on. So this is what it looks like when it first comes out, and I just put it on the lash. And I don't know if you guys ever used duo glue before, but like when you put it on, it goes clear, but it starts out blue, you know? That's what this does. It's in that same like way of doing things. And I like load mine on, like I do a couple coats. It goes on white, dries blue, and you know it's dry by the time it's clear. So it's like starting to develop its dryness, and then it's completely dry when it's clear. This lash on real quick, and it's like right on the lash line. Looks so good. Look at that. It's nice and fanned. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. So we've got, basically I took my lash, clipped it, applied it. This is what it is, especially for when I do a halo eye, because it just brings attention to that center portion, you know, and it just makes the eye look so nice, and you still get to see everything from the eye look. And yeah, so just watch me apply this next lash. Alright folks, so there you have it. Both of the lashes are now applied, and as you can see, now that they are customized to my liking, they don't look too heavy. They're very nice. They're not too thick either, which I appreciate. Some lashes can look a little too crazy, but I do like these. I feel like they can be natural. You can clip them at the top as well. If they too, comment down below and let me know if you enjoy any videos like this, and I will be sure to upload all of the videos that you guys appreciate. So thank you guys so much for being here.